At Tala, we believe that true power belongs to the people. Born from a bold idea, leverage alternative data to deliver financial access for everyone, everywhere. As a global financial infrastructure company, our mission is to unleash our customers' power. Real people, real impact, real stories of transformation. We are catalysts for unlocking potential, like building startups, dream business ventures, managing daily expenses, or even pursuing life's biggest goals with confidence. For us here at Tala, learning is an endless pursuit. It's a reflection, one that showcases our commitment to bring value to the lives of those we serve. With diversity as the foundation of our very innovation, we build by walking alongside our customers. A product that grows with you, forged by the belief that everyone deserves a fair chance at life. Through your ups and downs, every challenge and every triumph, real change starts from within. Real change starts with Tala.